In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo to WordPress using 3 simple methods, specifically focusing on the Divi theme and Elementor. Let's dive in and make your website truly reflect your brand with the perfect logo. To begin, we need to head over to wordpress.com. This is your go-to platform for building a website from scratch or managing an existing one. Once you're there, locate the Login button. It's usually easy to find, either at the top of the page or featured prominently on the home page. Enter your credentials, and you'll be taken directly to the WordPress dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all aspects of your site. The next step is to navigate to the Appearance section on the left-hand menu of your dashboard. A website's appearance speaks volumes, setting the tone for visitor interaction. So this is where you'll begin customizing how your site looks. After clicking on Appearance, you'll see a Customize option. Selecting this will take you to the customization panel dedicated to making your site look just right. Here, you'll have various settings and tools at your disposal to tweak the design as you see fit. Now, with the customization panel open, look for Site Identity. This is where you can change core identity features of your site, such as your site's title, tagline, and, importantly, its logo. Click on this option to progress further. Within the Site Identity section, you'll find a setting labeled Site, Title, and Logo Settings. By selecting this, you open up options specific to your site's branding elements, where you can either update existing elements or completely change them to align with your current branding strategy. From here, click on Logo. This is the section where your logo magic happens. You'll have the chance to upload a new logo file, ensuring it fits perfectly and enhances your website's appearance. Make sure your logo is optimized for web use. This typically means a file that isn't too large, preserving load times. PNGs with transparent backgrounds work great if your logo needs to sit on top of colorful or image-based elements. Once you've uploaded and adjusted your logo to your satisfaction, remember to hit Publish or Save Changes to ensure your new logo is visible to all your website visitors. And there you have it. You've successfully added your logo to your WordPress site using the Divi theme and Elementor. This process is straightforward yet effectively enhances your site's brand presence. Thanks for tuning in today. Make sure to check back with us for more tutorials and tips on making the most of your WordPress site. Until next time, happy designing!